Good afternoon. My name is Eric Herrickle, and I'm one of the family law attorneys here at Gross McGinn. Today I want to talk to you about some questions you should ask a family law attorney before you hire them. One of the most obvious and easiest questions is, how many cases have you done? How long have you been doing this? You want to get a feeling that the attorney you're looking to select has been practicing family law, that they're aware of all the different intricacies of family law with the divorce, custody, support, PFA, and everything that comes with it. You want to make sure that the attorney you're looking for has experience, that they know the local procedures and policies, they know the local court rules, and really know what they're doing when they help you. So another aspect that you would like to ask your family law attorney about is, do they have experience handling support and custody matters? Because family law is not just about divorce. It's a large umbrella of all sorts of matters that are intertwined. You have your divorce, your custody, and your support. Now, support can be child support or spousal support or an alimony. So you want to ensure that the attorney you're looking for has experience in handling all of these matters, because inevitably, in any case, there will be multiple matters intertwined. And knowing how support works, knowing how child custody works, can assist when you are negotiating for a final settlement in a divorce and preparing the necessary documents to resolve the matter. Another question to ask is, how long will this take? And while there is no set answer on how long a divorce or support or custody may take, there are some guidelines we can look at. Most divorces, they could be as short as 90 to 120 days. Those are the cases where both sides are willing to work things out and make it nice and easy, and they have all of their issues settled. The more contentious issues involving custody, complex matters involving the marital estate can often take years. But getting the feel from your attorney after talking to them and discussing all the issues will give you a rough estimate of how long it may take. Another question that most people will not ask is, what is it going to cost me? And while there is no one set cost for all cases, the family law attorney here at Gross McGinn can give you an estimate based upon the complexity of the case, how much it might cost and how long it may go on, and if there's going to be need for additional fees with motions. Most people also want to know is, how familiar are you with the local procedures in the court and the local players like the judges and the other attorneys? You want to make sure that when you're searching for a family law attorney, you have someone who has been in front of the judge, who knows their courtroom procedures, that they're going to make sure they file motions on time, prepare the proper statements before your conferences and your hearings to ensure that they put you in the best position to get the outcome that you're seeking here. If you have an attorney who doesn't know what they're doing, you may be behind the eight ball and not get the result that you want. So having someone who knows how the local courts work will be beneficial to you in the long run and provide you with the best possible representation to get the best outcome for you. It's also important that they know and have a relationship with the other family law attorneys. If they've worked with other attorneys locally, then they can provide insight on who your spouse may be represented by, and if this is a situation that will be either a contested divorce and take a lot of time and a lot of back and forth arguing, or if it's someone that they can work with and collaborate with to resolve the case as equitably and as fairly as possible. Now, going hand in hand with knowing local counsel is there a conflict of interest here if local counsel and or your spouse has ever spoken to the prospective attorney? And that's a question you want to ask right away. You want to make sure that both your spouse and yourself haven't spoken with or consulted with your current prospective attorney, because if they have, then that attorney can't represent you. And here we want to make sure that we can provide you with the best possible representation, free and clear of any conflict, and be able to get you the best outcome. Another aspect of divorce you would like to talk to your family law attorney about is, well, there are ways to resolve without having to go to court. And yes, there are. You want to speak to that prospective attorney and ask them, can we mediate this, or can we work collaboratively with the other party to come to a resolution? And certainly you want a family law attorney who is willing to work things out, willing to reach an agreement that all parties are happy with, that they don't have to go to court and spend time and money fighting over the little details. Lastly, I think it's important to ask your family law attorney is, well, how can I communicate with you? Who's going to be on my team? And can I speak with someone in particular? Here at Gross McGinley, we have an entire team of family law attorneys that work collaboratively on every family law case that we have. You'll have a lead attorney assigned to the case, and there may be an associate attorney assisting and working on it, but you also have a team of paralegals and administrative assistants who help. And then from time to time, the attorney working on the case, if they have a question about something, will speak to another attorney. So while there is one lead attorney, there are multiple others who can provide insight and assistance on your case. If it's your intention to proceed with a particular attorney, we're more than happy to accommodate that. Just know that there may be others behind the scenes who are assisting to work out the best outcome and get the best result for you. If you'd like to have a consult, please reach out to our office and we'll be happy to help you out in all of your family law needs.